About question number 1, the greatest common factor of 6 and 12, it will be 6 because 12 we can divide it by 6. Then 6 is the greatest common factor and the least common multiplication between them, it will be 12. Question number 2, the number which satisfies the inequality, absolute value of x greater than 8, then x here will be negative 9 because the absolute value of negative 9, it will be 9 greater than 8. Question number 3, the coefficient in the expression 5 product 6 minus 3b. We used here distributive properties. 5 times 6 equals 30, 5 times 3 equals 15. I'll write b here. Then the coefficient here will be negative 15. Question number 4. If m and 5 are two opposite number, then the product between them 5 multiplication by m, then 5 product by m here will be negative 5. Okay, then the product between them, it will be 5. Product the opposite about 5, it will be negative 5. The product between them, it will be 25. Understood? Question number 4, he wants to find the product between two numbers, m and 5. M and 5 are two opposite numbers. Opposite numbers, it's meaning m will be negative 5. Then the product between 5 and negative 5, it will be negative 25. Next question, number 5, find the mean of all the value. We must find the sum of all values divided the number. Right here, 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, plus 8 equal 20, 20 plus 3, 23, plus 5, 28, 28 plus 7 equals 35, divided by 7 equal 5. Then the result here will be 5. Next question. Number 6. The independent variable here, independent in this equation, y equal 4x, the independent, it will be x. Question 7, the base of 7 power 5, it will be 7. 7 is the base. And 7 exponent. Look at question number 2. Number 1, complete. The absolute value of the opposite numbers are equal. What about absolute value of opposite numbers such that if we have negative 3 and 3, the absolute value of negative 3 will be 3, it will be equal to this number. Then the absolute value of the opposite numbers are equal. Question number 2. Least common multiplication between 5 and 15. 15 can be divided by 5, then 15 is the least common multiplication between two numbers. Question 3. If 2 product by b minus 3 equal 4, then the value of b equal what? We can solve this equation by divided by 2, left hand side and right hand side. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times b minus 3, it will be minus 3. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. And then b will be 5 because 5 minus 3 equal 2. Or you can put here in this equation, put b equal 5. 5 minus 3 equal 2. 2 times 2 equal 4. Question number 4, the greatest value subtract smallest value, it will be the range. Question number 5, the expression 3a plus 5 plus c formed from 3 terms. We have here 3 terms. Okay, question 6, space is the greatest common factor of our 4 prime numbers, it will be 1 because any prime number can divide it by 1 and itself only, then the common between them, it will be 1. The greatest common factor between them, it will be 1. Question 7, the additive inverse of 3 power 2. We know 3 power 2 was 9. Then the additive inverse will be 9. Then the result will be negative 9. It's the additive inverse. The remainder of 621 divided by 5, we want to find the remainder will be 1. Because any number can divide it by 5 if the ones here was 0 or 5. 620 can divide it by 5. Then the remainder will be 1 about this example. Question 3, choose the correct answer. All the following is integer except what? Except where here not integer, 5 and 3 over 7. It's not integer. Choose letter D. Question number 2, which of the following is the smallest? Smallest here we have negative 1.2. It's the smallest number, negative 1.2. Question number 3. The mathematical sentence here we call the expression 5x plus 3y plus 6. We call that expression. Choose letter B. Question number 4. If n plus 5 equal 12, then n will be what? Find the difference between 12 and 5. The result will be 7. Question number 5. 9,888 divided by 24 equal what? We can use the long division between 9,888 and 24. 9 divided 24, we can't do it with 0, and 98 divided by 24. Cancel 8 by 4, and 9 divided by 2 equal 3. So nearest to write 4, okay? And 24 times 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 and the carry up 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Nearest 2, write 3, and 7, 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6, and 9 minus 7 equals 2, and then drop 8 here. 268 divided by 24. Cancel digit by digit, and we won't find the nearest number, right? 24 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 6 and the carry up 1. 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. This number will be nearest to. Then we must write 4 here, and 9, 6. The difference between them, 8 minus 6 equals 2, and then drop 8. 28 divided by 24 equals 1. The difference 4, and then drop 8 here. 48 divided by 24 equals 2. Then the result will be 412. Next question. Number 6. List common multiplication for 10 and 21. It will be 221. Because 10 and 21 we call it relatively prime numbers. Then the product between them, it will be least common multiplication. Question 7. The additive inverse of 3, it will be negative 3. And the additive inverse of 0, it will be 0. Then negative 3 less than 0. Last question here, number 4. Of the equation, we can divide it by 3. Then x here equals 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Question letter B. Is the mass of 60 students equal 50, 60, 55, 44, 46, 45? Calculate the mean of the students. Okay, we can find the mean by all the values divided the number of the values. It will be 300 divided by 6, 30 divided by 6 equal 5, and read 0, the result will be 50. Last question, find the value of this expression, 3 power 2 plus 12 divided by 6, subtract by 3 times 2. We know 3 power 2 here, it will be 9. And right, 12 divided by 6 equal 2, subtract by 3 times 2 equals 6. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 minus 6, it will be 5. Last question. Draw the histogram. You can draw it by draw